Hi, I'm Jenny Evans, and I help people go from feeling overworked, overwhelmed, and overstressed to on fire, on purpose, and on their game. I'm going to be speaking at Contec's second annual Cleanovators Virtual Summit on Thursday, November 4th. There are 4 specific tracks for pharmaceutical manufacturing, compounding pharmacy, environmental services, and European markets. So while you guys all have your own specialty, the one thing that you do have in common is all of the stress that you've been facing these last 19 months. So I'm really excited to give you some strategies that are going to improve your resiliency, correct or prevent burnout in a way that you've probably never thought about it before. And knowing this audience, I know you guys are going to appreciate. So you'll be walking away with some simple, tactical, easy things that you can do right away that will help you start feeling on it instead of over it. So make sure you register at cleanovatorsevent.com, and I'll see you soon.